I built this covered patio in my backyard over 4 years ago, so my family can enjoy the outdoors during nice weather. But unfortunately, my kids kept complaining that they cannot stay outdoor that long because it's just too many bugs. Anyway, so I decided to get some estimate. Maybe I can get an automatic screen doors that goes up and down, even a manual one. So there's some companies that came in and gave me some estimate. I decided I'm not gonna do that. It's just too expensive. My wife suggested that I can place a rolling curtains that can go side by side. And I thought about it, but it looks really ugly if I put that there. So what I decided, I'm gonna install a magnetic screen windows, or you call it screen doors, magnetic screen doors. So let me just show you the coverage that I have to work with. I'm gonna put one on the corner there and the front. These are the materials that you will need. You will need a circular saw, a level, drill with a screwdriver, a staple gun, a pair of gloves, a protective eyewear, measuring tape, some screws, staples, step ladder, some wood, a miter saw, and a screen roll. And of course, I bought this fiberglass magnetic screen door. And in my estimate, with the size of my patio, I would probably need about 8 of these. Different sizes. It varies from 72 by 80, 60 to 80, and that's it. Okay, come on, son. See, it closes right away. Go back in. Thank you. If you decided to buy this magnetic screen door, it comes with the Velcro on the side. See it right there? And of course the door comes in the opposite Velcro. So I'm gonna use this to put it on the side and reinforce it with a staple gun. I bought this corner brace to keep the wooden frame in place. See right there?